Velocity of liquid flowing through a cylindrical tube. So let this is equal to, now we have cylindrical tube, this is the axis, of the cylinder. This is now radius R, radius. Now liquid is flowing through this one. This is now flow of the liquid. Like this. This is the flow of liquid. Then let the velocity of the liquid is V. Velocity. Velocity of liquid. Flowing in cylindrical tube. Let this is equal to V. So now let us talk about this layer which is at the distance x from this. Now this is now axis. This is now distance x, so much. R equal to radius of tube. So now the velocity V equal to P into R square minus X square upon 4 eta L, where L is the length of this tube, L, this is now length of the tube. P is the pressure. P is the pressure. Where P equal to pressure difference across the ends of tube, and this eta equal to coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. Now from here you can see that this velocity this we take now x here, and this we take the velocity. Velocity on this side. Then we get the curve like this. Increase of parallel. Straight line आनी चाहिए इसमें, ये क्या है? इससे दाएं here we have this x equal to 0. So V equal to maximum. Here x equal to r. This V is equal to 0 and x equal to r. So this distance, this so much. This is not, here this is not r, radius. It means that the velocity of liquid in contact of tube. In contact of tube, now this x becomes equal to r, i.e. x equal to r. The velocity of liquid in contact of tube, this V is equal to 0. So this we are at this point, and when we are having to this x equal to 0, the velocity of liquid at the axis of tube, it means x equal to 0. This x is equal to 0. X equal to 0 means that we are on the axis of this tube. This V is equal to maximum. So this velocity increases when we go from topmost level to the axis of the tube. So when the liquid flows through this tube, then the layers of the liquid which are in contact with the inner side of this cylindrical tube are at rest. And here, when this the layer which is in contact or lying nearest to the axis of the cylinder, the velocity is maximum. Thus, velocity of the liquid passing through the tube changes continuously. You have seen that whenever the water is flowing in the river at a high speed, and also the water flowing in the cylindrical tube, then the layers which are in contact with the surface, they are at approximately 0 velocity, and the layers which are just at the middle, then their velocity is maximum. In case of flow of the rivers, the velocity of the water at the topmost level is maximum, but as we go down, this velocity decreases, and the velocity of the layer which is in contact with the ground, that is approximately constant, or this is not moving. So thus the velocity of the liquid changes according to the condition that where the liquid is flowing. So this is what that I have to tell you about the velocity of the liquid flowing in the cylindrical tube. So thank you very much.